Alright, this problem asks us to round off all of these measurements to 2 sig figs. So what I like to do is underline the 2 figures that I want to round to. I point an arrow to the next digit up, and I think about if it's 5 or higher or less than 5. So this is 5 or higher, so I want to round up. So this is going to become 1.9 kilograms. Okay, the 8 changes to a 9. In this case, I'm highlighting the 2 digits. I'm pointing an arrow at the next one over. This is less than 5, so I'm going to round it down, and this becomes 88 liters. Okay. In this problem, recall again, we don't count the zeros to the left that are before the first number. And so let me highlight the 2 digits here. I'm going to point the arrow to the next one over. This is less than 5, so I'm going to round it down. So this is going to become 0.0047. Okay. Although these zeros are not significant figures, they still need to be in there to position that decimal place. It's still part of the number, so you need those zeros still. But you just don't count them when you do rounding. Here, I don't like this problem. I would never give it to my students, but let me help you work through this in case you're from somewhere else in the world. I would write this as a scientific notation. Okay. And I would highlight the 2 digits that I would want to keep. I would point my arrow at the next one over. It's less than 5. I want to round this down. So that's going to become 8.8 times 10 to the 3 meters. Okay. This next one here, we've got 1 and then the 8. I'm going to point my arrow to the next digit over. This is less than 5. So I'm going to round this down to 1.8 times 10 to the 5th. Okay. So although you discard the 2 and the 3 eventually goes away when you round it, you still need to keep the scientific notation part. Okay. So you need the 10 to the power part when you do the rounding. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you review this concept a little better.